and welcome to Mindfulness. Before we begin, I want you to realize that money is neither good nor bad. You have power over what you do with it. The more money you have, the more it accentuates who you are. Money provides comfort. Money is a wonderful resource that may benefit many individuals. I need you to understand that you deserve to live a nice life with as much money as you want. It's not a negative thing to want money. Money is a means of achieving the pleasant and simple existence that we as humans inherently seek and deserve. Our human tendency is to seek comfort. I want you to understand that we are the creators of our own world. You can transform your life by changing your mentality. You will begin to attract it once you demand it and think that you deserve comfort and wealth. You deserve an easy and enjoyable existence. You are entitled to whatever you wish. You have earned the right to buy whatever you desire. You deserve to be financially independent. Be thankful for all the times money has aided you in your life. Listen to this meditation for 30 days and notice how your life and money perspective change. Let's get started. Close your eyes, lie down in a comfortable posture and clean your jaw. Relax your shoulders, wriggle your hands and feet, arms and legs, and feel the stress leave your body as you wiggle. Make sure you're entirely calm and let go of whatever limiting notions you may have about money. Now I want you to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply. And then exhale loudly. Let's do it again. Deep inhale. And sigh it out. Deep inhale. And sigh it out. Deep inhale. And suck it out. Now imagine yourself plunging further and deeper beneath the surface. Now imagine your heart chakra opening and emitting a dazzling white light. Feel the brightness shining from your heart. Consider a brilliant light radiating from your heart chakra. You are thankful. You consider yourselves fortunate. You are ready to accept abundance into your life once you are completely relaxed. Now I want you to repeat each of the following affirmations after me. I am entitled to the money I wish. I am entitled to the money I wish. I am entitled to a comfortable living. I am entitled to a comfortable living. I am entitled to everything I wish. I am entitled to everything I wish. I am deserving of a luxurious existence. I am deserving of a luxurious existence. I am deserving of financial prosperity. I am deserving of financial prosperity. It is my birthright to be financially prosperous. It is my birthright to be financially prosperous. Take another deep breath in. Now that you know you are deserving of all the wealth you desire, I want you to experience it deeply and be open to accepting the following affirmations as your reality. Repeat after me. I attract money and money loves me. Money is obsessed with me. I always seem to attract a lot of money. Money comes to me in the simplest, highest, and quickest way possible. My earnings are steadily growing. Money comes to me from several sources. I get whatever I want. I am thankful for my prosperity. I am open and ready to receive money and wealth into my life. I let go of all expectations, and I know the money I seek is on its way to me right now. I am thankful. I have more than enough. As it is, I want you to gently open your eyes, wake all of your fingers, create all of your toes, and bring your consciousness back to this reality. This is your reality now, and you will see an increase in money coming your way in the following 30 days. Listen to this meditation every night for 30 days and see how your attitude about money and life changes. Thank you so much for being here. We so appreciate you, and if you enjoyed this content, we invite you to subscribe for more. Let me know how it makes you feel. Thanks again.